Hi all, good morning. Just people getting in.
Good morning.
Good morning, good morning. Okay, so I am sharing another different screen and I have got this. So just let me. So last week we did saw almost crossing of 17,500, sorry 15,750, and also we saw resistance at 35,800. So this is working very well for us now. So my view on Bank Nifty so far would be that unless we cross again 35,800, okay, we will be having a sideways market. So you are between 34,500. So on the I think expiry day or day before expiry, I think there was a sharp fall in the market, but it didn't broke 34,500. Okay, it didn't even touch that. It touched almost 34,600, and from there was a rapid bounce of 300 points again. Until date we are not able to still touch that low again. Okay, that means the weekly lows are made. Okay, and we might now see again some movement on the upside. So this would be the range, mainly the center points, which is 35,800 and 34,500. The other thing, I don't know how many of you uh, are actively option writer, and I did saw Jalpesh by here. So mainly, I don't know. He is not doing Bank Nifty much, but I think he does Nifty. And in Bank Nifty, if he is writing this range of 35,800 and 34,500 would be the ideal range right now for the writers as well. Because one thing, if the writers are observing it, the premiums are reducing. The ATM, which should be around 1,000 rupees, was almost, I think, 850 or 840. So the premiums have reduced because the range bound movement expectation. And just to jitter the writers, there will be one day some movement on the either side will jitter the writers, but again the range will come back in that same level. Okay, so that is what we are expecting the markets to do, unless it breaks 35,800 now on the upside, and maybe the downside, maybe around 34,500. So this remains the range for us, and let's see whether it helps us or not. But it mainly, a sideways market till something triggers the market. Now with the IIP data and everything coming positive, I'm not sure when there can be a bigger trigger on this, right? And I think on Thursday, my view was that Nifty Pharma will trigger and will trigger for a good upside. But we missed that entire rally because by the time it triggered, it was at lunchtime yesterday. And मैं बोला ना कि वो lunch बहुत महंगा पड़ा मेरे को, because there was someone visiting the office at 1:30. I left at 12:40 for lunch, and by the time I returned back for 1:30 meeting, I think that pharma sector, and mainly I was of the opinion to buy Oro Pharma, and that Oro Pharma just went away. So that is somewhere something to do with the timings in the market. Okay, so let's see. I don't know. See this week. So we'll cover up this week now. ये क्या है? अरे बाप रे, ये ऐसे चला गया है पूरा। अदानी पोर्ट है 200 वाला 850 है। वेरी गुड। Let's go to Nifty. Yeah, IVs are too low, and that is the main reason why I am thinking of a range bound movement. Because if the IVs are low, you will not expect volatility in the market, and since volatility will not be there, the movement or the range bound movement will continue in the market for some time.
Kamal bhai, the IVs are at the year's lowest thing
Yeah,
right
I
now.
know, I know, I know. That's why I said, see, I don't see all those things, but nowadays I'm forced to see that because I'm also surprised that the markets are not moving. It starts a move on either side and then it stops. Are Baba, kyun?
Yeah, actually, the IV range is so bad that you don't feel like writing only nowadays.
Exactly, because then one jitter on either side will kill the writer. So you can't even take a directional writing, nor can you write the range writing, because range writing mein the premiums are very low. So you will not get any benefit if you're writing as well.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you, Jalpesh bhai. So let's go to see the 750 has been crossed, and now see the base of this particular index is around 15600. Okay, so 15600 को तोड़ा नहीं था. 15700 is also acting as a very very good support, because 15700 के नीचे it is not allowing the market to go. Okay, so that is one level where we are seeing Nifty, and if you now see this, where we are expecting Nifty to go, okay, so if you have this in front of you, okay, so this is going to be the first target. Let's see whether that has been already achieved or not. कहाँ से drop किया ये? मैंने इधर से होना चाहिए. By the way, 1 minute. It's a wrong. So that much target at least Nifty देगा. उसके बाद पता नहीं Nifty क्या करेगा. See, everybody is right now, ये इतना तो ऊपर चला गया और कितना जाएगा. अरे भाई, तुम्हारा घर का क्या जाता है तो जाने दो ना. इतना ऊपर चला गया, इतना ऊपर चला गया. People are asking me टॉप बॉटम में अगर ये बाय ट्रिगर होगा तो लेना चाहिए क्या? अरे फॉलो द सिस्टम भाई. Why are we worried किधर जा रहा है? See, this is 16,150. Okay, so at least we are expecting that much rally in the market. Okay, so that much at least once we should expect the market to go. Okay, normally that is what you should come to. So still it looks decent to me. Okay, कोई भी इसको head and shoulder मत बोलना, ये head and shoulder नहीं है. Okay, ये RSI का रूल्स नहीं फॉलो होता है, एंड हेड एंड शोल्डर में वन शुड बी आउट, दिस शुड बी इन, एंड दिस शुड बी वन गोइंग अबव. सो वो वॉक तो किया नहीं है, तो बॉलिंजर बैंड के हिसाब से तो है ही नहीं. वॉल्यूम भी ठीक ठाक है. आई डोंट थिंक सो वॉल्यूम के हिसाब से वॉल्यूम इधर ज़्यादा है, इधर आया ही नहीं है. देयर इज नॉट मच वॉल्यूम हियर. So Nifty looks okay to me. It is just making dojis and dojis, and this looks interesting. Okay, now if you look at it, it's a hammer at band walk. So one candle band walk, second candle also manages the band walk. I will be not surprised अगर ये अपना top bottom का next week में reverse कर दे. So stop loss ले ले. Okay, and if you look at monthly also looks good. Okay, so it is looking good even on monthly scale. It's a pure white candle right now in making, and there is no resistance as such. So this is where monthly shows. That's why 16,500 is coming in our levels also. Okay, so ये market कर क्या रहा है ना, slowly खाली ऊपर ही जा रहा है. Okay, it is not doing anything else. Okay. 1 minute, someone is struggling to get in. You need to have Zoom login. Okay, someone is struggling to get in. Okay, मैंने डाल दिया उनको. Okay, so this is where the base on monthly is also at almost 15,500. Okay, I don't know, many people I heard are still in short position from 10,700, 11,000, and they are expecting the fall, but I'm not seeing any fall yet in the market. Okay, for the fall or for the bearishness to start, I will wait for 14,100 to be broken now. Unless this is broken, I am not going to be bearish in the market. Okay, but currently it is sideways upward, and sideways upward is also a dangerous thing, because it is zooming on both the side, and then it takes the direction. The stocks that we are selecting, they trigger one time, they hit a stop loss, and then the second time it crosses that level, it goes to the target. So this is the funniest thing that we are seeing in the market right now. So Nifty looks strong, yet it does not show any weakness. And also monthly RSI is 73.28. So still 7 points there is a steam left. So this can go till 80. Okay, so if you look at the highest is around 84 on the scale, and around this you can expect 80 81. So यहाँ पे वो थोड़ा एक बार resist करेगा, लेकिन यहाँ तक जाएगा. ओके, सो ये दिखा रहा है कि ये स्ट्रेंथ कितना है मार्केट में. ओके, सो दिस इज स्टिल लुकिंग गुड फॉर अनदर अपसाइड ऑफ मे बी 1000 points. So around 17,000 which I'm expecting should happen. Okay, so let's see whether it does that or not. So let's write down on Nifty daily dojis with gap up and upper band with all-time high. Weekly bullish candle around upper band resistance. Nahi, this time it is just above upper band. So weekly bullish candle के जगह पे it's a weekly hammer हो गया अभी. Okay, weekly hammer just above. Weekly hammer just above upper band. Okay. Now it's not at a resistance as such, but let's see. We'll remove the word resistance now. Okay, and monthly is a big green. That was last month. Okay, and now month started with a green candle. So month starting with green candle. Okay, so still it's a diamond index, all-time high. Okay, so we don't have to worry much. And now resistance levels. So 750 has been crossed, 816 is where we are, right? So now we need to remove this for now. Okay, so next resistance level that we are having is 16,000, which is the round number. Okay, and I think then we had 16,200, that 16,150 ka level, and then 16,500. Okay, because that is where the upper band on monthly is. So now we have this levels as resistance, and here we can have 700 instead of 750. 438 level hai and 15,100. So this now becomes the levels where we have been bounced from. So 15,100 was the level. 430 है, 410 420 के आसपास है. I'm taking it as 430, and 15,700 is the level of support now. Okay, so this is where we see Nifty. Now let's go to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, let's see. टाइपिंग क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, स्क्रीन के बीच में जगल में ये अटक जाता है. बैंक निफ्टी. ओके, सो बैंक निफ्टी ये क्या हुआ, ये कब का दिखा रहा है बेटा, कल का दिखा रहा है ये हाँ ये चल रहा है इसके लिए. ओके, so now if you look at it, it did resisted 60 on daily. Okay, so somewhere some resistance at this levels. So that's why I said 35,500 and 35,800 are the two levels. So if you look at this, 35,800 is this level. Okay, so this is one level we need to cross. Okay, and that level also merges with multiple things if you look at it. Okay, so this is one level. One second. हेलो, हाँ
सर मैं सैमसंग से किरण बात कर रहा हूँ. आपने सैमसंग का वॉशिंग मशीन किया ना?
हाँ,
वॉशिंग मशीन घर पे आ गई है सर.
Sorry, had to take that call because there is some technician who is going to come home. Okay, so this is where we are resisting and we need to cross this levels. Okay, now let's see. The other thing is 20 MA has been supportive so far. So if you look at it, we are at support of 34,800. Okay, so this is where that levels are 34,800 and then this is 34,500. Okay, so these are the levels of support. And now what we need to know is if we break above this. Okay, so break above this, so this becomes at 35,800 का लेवल जो मैंने तभी भी बताया. Okay, और उसके ऊपर अगर ये निकलेगा तो 36,200 and then comes around 36,500. Okay, so there are two levels of expectations in this thing, but ये week में looking at the implied volatility, okay, I am little bit सरप्राइज. हाँ, मैंने म्यूट किया था बिकॉज वो कॉल आया था इसके लिए. Okay, and now let's see. This looks like an evening star, but look at where it is. It's, see, after a breakdown on this, it is at first 60 support on weekly. And if you look at this, this candle volume is pretty low. ओके, सो ये ऐसा लग रहा है जानबूझकर ये सीआईपी के लिए आया है. सो it looks like a range shift more to me than bearishness, and this again is a support level if you look at it. Okay, this and this. So it's an evening star, but a evening star at support. Okay, so candlestick जिसने हमसे किया है उनको मालूम है कि bearish pattern होना जरूरी नहीं है. वो bearish pattern should be, see, there are two places where the bearish pattern really works. One is at resistance and second is breaking of support. So right now this is at support and it is not even at resistance nor breaking of support. So this bearish pattern, you need more confirmation on this. You cannot directly take a short trade and wait. Okay, so I know we are in short in Bank Nifty futures as well in top bottom, but that is fine. Okay, because it's a low risk now because even the yesterday's market has changed the stop loss for us now. Okay, so that is fine, and there can be a rally till see 37,100 as per weekly charts, and monthly it's still above 60, so I'm not much convinced on this. और एक बार ये यहाँ तक 35,500 तक आना चाहिए था. ओके, ये जो लेवल है ना, इस पे सपोर्ट लेके भागता था तो और पावरफुल बनता था. बट नाउ लेट्स सी वेदर इट कम्स हियर. मंडे को आया तो डोंट बी सरप्राइज इफ आई क्लोज द शॉर्ट ट्रेड, बिकॉज आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस. अगर इधर एक बार आता है तो मैं तो बंद कर दूंगा. ओके, एंड देन वीकली might break 60, but then there is entire week to cover up. Okay, so 34,400, 34,300 C as per this also is a good support. Okay, so let's see what top bottom does for us. But right now, see 20 MA से ये देखो नीचे इसमें भी एक लो मारा है जो टच करके वापस ऊपर जा रहा है. So if you look at it, 34,900 and then closes around 35,200. So again, between the low and the close, there is almost 250, 300 points. Okay, so it's almost 300 points if you look at it. 167, 169 or 77. It's just about 290 points odd. Right, so that's why it shows the strength in the support out here. 35,000 is acting as a very good support. Okay, so let's write down for Bank Nifty also. Daily 4 bar PRD था जो fail हो गया अभी last week में था. This and this there was a 4 bar PRD confirm नहीं हुआ और नीचे चला गया. Okay, and now there is एक मिनट, ये क्या है 54 56 नहीं, अभी कुछ नहीं है. Okay, so still it is at 20 MA support. Okay, so daily 4 bar PRD failed. So daily at MA20 support. Okay, weekly bearish pattern, and we'll write in bracket evening star. Okay, evening star at 60 at price and 60 support. Okay, it's resisting that gap around 35 800 900, so we need that to be closed. Okay, and monthly 4 bar divergence setup confirms below 32 800, yet it's not a golden index because daily is broken 60. Okay, so no more index tag. Okay, इससे छीन लिया जाए इसका batch. So now resistance, support, support 35 500, yes, 35, yes. This remains same for this guy. Okay, ये कुछ भी नहीं change किया है इसने. So bank nifty is remaining stagnant. Now let's go to the other indices फटाफट. आईटी ने बहुत बड़ा गेम खेला है. आईटी यार लल्लू बना के चला गया. कल मतलब क्या है 76 का डेली आरएसआई हो चुका है उसका. आई थिंक इट bounced again, so this is where it was. There's bounce from this, so it has gone well beyond the all-time high. Okay, this index is just making new high, and see there is an equal breakout on the thing, and the last week we saw this. Okay, doji at 60, so that's why IT was one of the stocks which we were wanted to see, and I think TCS ने बाई ट्रिगर करके बाद में अपने को धोखा दिया और बाद में चलना चालू किया. Okay, so TCS Infosys were in radar, but they didn't give us when they triggered first time. And this now marches to 82, and look at this above the shooting star high so much, and now this can touch till 29. So there is still a lot of steam there in this particular index. So IT looks really strong to me. There is nothing bearishness in this. There is nothing bearishness. It's a good breakout band walk on weekly and almost daily. Right, so IT daily flag setup at 60 support. Hey, flag setup का क्या सीन है? Oh, एक मिनट. I think flag का भी उसने दे दिया क्या? भी बाबा flag का target दे दिया. So now let's see whether it continues the rally or not. See, flag का target भी मिल गया. Okay, so IT was looking good and it did the bits and pieces. That would be because your internet might be shaky. Is it the same experience for everyone? If it is only for few, then there is. Okay, so if that is the case, okay, let me do something else.
For me, there is no problem. It's absolutely correct.
For you, it is correct. Okay, it's fine with me. Okay, so that means there is, see, there would be issues with internet because of rains around. So just check even your connections, because at times, it can be because of the heavy forecasted rains also. But okay, I'll see what I can do. I've started my GeoFi as well. Okay.
For me, it is like a local call. Very clear today.
It is very clear, okay, because I know my internet is stable. I can see my Hathway is working good today. Okay, also now my GeoFi enabled. Okay. And let me just check. किधर है भाई, तुम किधर हो? Okay, I'm continuing so far on this. If there is any issue, I will just switch because I'm now on my GeoFi as well. Okay, so let's write down first on even IT sector. So flag completed, in fact. So daily flag completed, and now around band walk. Okay, weekly bearish है हमें नहीं था, उसके बाद at 60 and price support था, see, so from there it has bounced. So weekly band walk started, and also took 60 support. Okay, and monthly big green, almost big green and new ATH. Okay, ATH is all-time high, and now you can say this is again a diamond stock. So diamond index, we have two diamond index so far in the three we saw. One is the Nifty and the other is Nifty IT. So if Nifty IT is diamond and even Bank Nifty is golden, it's an achievement by the country. Because IT and banking will always be opposite in nations like us. Okay, in US it will be different, but in India at least it should be opposite, because dollar increases, this will rise and this will fall. Okay, so that is where the things are. But if we see both of them, I think it's achievement by the country. So now let's go to the second index. So let's see. I think we saw infra and it's around this. So there is a breakout on infra as well. Okay. It shows some bearishness. Okay. But monthly is still powerful. Okay. So monthly is yet very, very powerful. So I still feel, infra is looking good. 4, 3. Okay. So now it has moved higher as a shooting star on weekly. And some saturation at 82 RSI. Okay, so this looks some saturation, but this is now at gap support. See, there is a gap here also and here also. It's at two gap support. So maybe we'll see infra stocks, maybe cements mainly. Okay, now I have switched my I've switched the internet as well. So now let's see. Okay, now I think people who had some complaints should be comfortable. Let's see that. And hope Amar sir, you are not yet disturbed. So your comfort should remain as is. Okay, and remaining.
Yeah, it's very clear. Still very clear.
Okay, so I've switched my Wi-Fi actually. Okay, so now let's go to FMCG. Okay, so FMCG क्या है भाई? Yeah, RSI 66 and 65. Oh, so FMCG has got a 3-bar PRD on daily. This is interesting. Okay, so 3-bar PRD and so the confirmation on this should be 3-bar में कौन सा PRD confirmation is on the half of the candle, so maybe 35,800 becomes the thing. But and what is the value we might get is 35,588 and 35,6. So it's almost 200 points above the high. So we might see 36,100 on this particular index. Okay, so there is a 300 points after it confirms. So let's see FMCG stocks, and maybe Hind Unilever can be one of the stock. See, there is an alert bar also on daily, on monthly, weekly. Sorry, एक मिनट, किसी का chat आया, वो chat open ही कर देता हूँ. Infra, okay, infra I said it is looking okay. Okay, so there is some bearishness on weekly. I said there is a shooting star on weekly, and even daily has got gap support. So it's going to be some range bound. Okay, so that is what I said for infra. And infra normally we don't write. Okay, so writing is only of the 6 index that we are following. Infra and metals are normally, bonus. So we are not writing them down, but I normally just give you the review of that. बिकॉज मैं इतना लिखता हूँ ना, उसमें ही 2 घंटे चले जाते हैं, और लिखना बैठूंगा तो बहुत टाइम जाएगा. So this is looking good. So there was a bearish divergence which has been now on the verge of getting nullified. 64.60, 64.27. Okay. So it does have some resistance at the upper band here, but if it goes to the PRD target, we go beyond this. So this also is a diamond index. If you look at it, all time frames are now above 60 and it's at a new all-time high. On monthly basis, if you look at it, it's at a new all-time high. So another diamond biscuit. We have got many diamond biscuit this time. So let's go to daily at 60 support. It has bounced from there. Okay, so daily 3-bar PRD setup. Okay, confirms above 35,800 and target 36,100. 100 200 कहाँ से आ गया बेटा, थोड़ा देख के टाइप कर. ओके, वीकली
सर थोड़ा वो 3-bar PRD सेटअप एक्सप्लेन कीजिएगा.
हाँ मैं करता हूँ, 1 मिनट. वीकली बुलिश हरामी तो नहीं था, अवेटिंग कंफर्मेशन तो ओके, ये मंथली अवेटिंग कंफर्मेशन ही है, अब तक तो आया नहीं है. And bullish harami, so it has worked. The bullish harami has worked and now it is an alert bar. So weekly alert bar भी डाल देता हूँ. Okay, so weekly alert bar है, and see this is the PRD setup. Okay, this is 66.1 and this is 65.63. So your price closing is higher. ये 588 है, ये 646 है. ओके 588 नहीं, सॉरी, हाँ 588 है और ये 646 है. ओके, सो क्लोजिंग इज हायर देन दिस, 2 black candles and RSI is lower. So that means it's a positive reverse divergence setup and you'll need a breakout above the trend line on this. But अभी इसमें क्या trend line बनाएंगे? So that's why half of this candle, which is almost this candles, you can take about 35,750, or so I have taken a safest point is 800. The confirmation is there on the FMCG chart, right? So this candle and this candle, there is a PRD, and always PRD has to be, and this is good. See, if you look at this, ये CIP पे PRD है, ये देखो. Okay, so this was the resistance, the previous all-time high. Now I am breaking above that, and on that support, I'm having a PRD support now. So this looks more interesting to me. Let's see whether it confirms. Confirms only if the level of FMCG sector goes about 35,800. तब तक कुछ करो मत. So we'll have to see the levels in FMCG stock. So clear now, Amar sir?
Yes sir.
Okay, so then let's go ahead. अभी निफ्टी फार्मा, ये तो यार झूला के गया सपना मेरा. I was seeing this squeeze and everything. ये मैंने डाला भी थर्सडे को और बेशरम लल्लू बना के चला गया. See, it was at 60 support, okay, and see from there it has gone, very good. So this is where that entire bounce, and now the rally has just started. Okay, so okay, so now you might see more. Now you might see more on this. Okay, so now you might see more on this. It's just started. Okay, अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. So I think let's see whether we get any entry again or not. See, it's a breakout on this. सब shooting star को तोड़ के निकल गया ये. Okay, so it's looking good and decent levels of RSI. See, बाकी सबका रैली में 80, 82 already दिख रहा है ना IT वगैरह में. This is looking so decent. It is at 71 here. It is around 70 here, and monthly I think it is still around 70 only, 73. So we still have lot of steam left in this, and see, ये तो अभी just breakout है. See, breakout with the CIP and it is moving high. Okay, so I तो stock ideas में मैंने डाला भी था कि it has taken CIP on the breakout level and now it should go. But वो ट्रेड्स डाल देने चाहिए थे मुझे. मैंने ट्रेड्स नहीं डाले थे उसमें. And even I forgot to take मैंने औरो फार्मा मैं फील्डिंग भर रहा था 980 के लिए, और 980 का 1010 होने को टाइम भी नहीं लगा, सीधा बैंड वॉक एंड इट जस्ट मूव्ड लाइक अ रॉकेट. See, this has no bearishness, nothing, and purely a good diamond sector. Another diamond trade, another diamond sector, right? So it looks awesome to me now. See, diamond index यहाँ पे भी है ये. ओके राइट, मेरे ख्याल से लास्ट में लिखा है ना सब में डायमंड और ये सब, तो इसको भी लास्ट में डाल देंगे ताकि एक यूनिफॉर्म रहे. ओके, 4 बार पीआरडी, देखो इसमें भी 4 बार पीआरडी था एट 20 एमए सपोर्ट एंड दैट इज व्हाट इट वर्कड. इट गिव पीआरडी टारगेट एज वेल. ओके, सो पीआरडी इसमें भी था लास्ट वीक एंड इट हैज डन द ट्रिक. नाउ इट इज a breakout on daily, so daily band walk started post breakout. I think the level that I had put was this 14 to 85. I think it is already 500 के आसपास, अभी कुछ 464 और 530 जाके आया. ओके, वीकली 3 बार पीआरडी. अरे बाप रे, ये क्या था? सी, वीकली 3 बार पीआरडी था ये, देखो इसका भी टारगेट क्या था. आई थिंक इट इज ऑलरेडी गिवन द टारगेट ऑफ वीकली पीआरडी आल्सो, much above the weekly PRT target. So weekly also it's a breakout as a gap support and pre-RD and gap support. दो बार क्यों लिखा है मैंने, उम्र हो गई मेरी भी. वीकली बुलिश कैंडल, star high. So once the shooting star high is crossed, it becomes a momentum trade. Okay, so this becomes also a momentum sector because दोनों मंथली और वीकली पे जहाँ पे भी उसका शूटिंग स्टार था उसके हाई पे इट हैज ब्रोकन आउट. सो इट्स अ मोमेंटम इंडेक्स नाउ. ओके, because the shooting star high is been crossed. Shooting स्कूल में जा पाचा. Okay, monthly closes above 80H diamond index. Okay, so this still remains good for us, and we'll see whether we can now re-enter on any of the trades. I think Cipla was one of the good trade we did, and we made some money in that, but we failed because मैंने Cipla के साथ साथ Oro Pharma भी दिया था. Okay, so that is where we failed to actually capitalize. And I think थर्सडे को तो मैंने तीनों डाला था, लुपिन, डीआरआर, औरो रिमेनिंग करके. डीआरआर तो कल ही मस्त चला गया. ठीक है, अभी अफसोस करके फायदा नहीं. ओके, सो दिस रियली लुक्स गुड, नथिंग टू वरी ऑन एनी फ्रंट. एंड हाँ भाई, दवाई का ही जमाना है, गो करो ना जब तक नहीं होता तब तक. Okay, and let's see now the auto sector. Okay, so auto sector is now coming back for support, and look at this, it's a good CIP. Now you can see again a bounce in that. Okay, mainly I think this fall was related to the results of MRF on that day, and I don't know what the results were, but there was a good fluctuation in MRF. Okay, and look at this. Okay, now this support broken, resistance broken, and now it's the first CIP again. So this is powerful, and this is about 60, so this looks good. Okay, and if you look at this, it's a doji at here above 60. So now if the doji high crosses, you start making another move on the upside, Okay, and my view is Maruti should look good again. Okay, so Maruti, yes, we will follow top bottom for that, but this is looking good. See, it's a doji at support also. Okay, if I look at it from a longer perspective, see this. Okay, see these levels. Okay, and we have made that. So now what we need to do is cross above this. Okay, so 11,000 now becomes a good level, and see this. Still it's trying to go up. Okay, it's not standing or waiting, it has got some resistance at this level, so might take, let's see if it comes down for some CIP on this range shift on this, but overall it looks good to me. So equity, if you are holding any auto sector, hold it. Okay, you should not worry at all. And let's see, this is, see, now there is no bearish divergence also. Okay, last week there was a chance of a bearish divergence, but now there is nothing on that side, and it is just moving higher. Okay, so this is now moving to 65. Okay, and once this crosses about this or this, we might see more movement. So 11,000 is what we are expecting more on auto sector, and above that it's coming to the new high. Okay, so there are two hurdles now: 11,000, 11,700, and maybe then finally 12,000. So even this sector, see, it's a V-shaped recovery after the fall. Actually, last year fall, and see a V-shaped recovery. This no one expected actually in the market. So see, this was a very critical point. It took 60 support and price support, and from here the sector has moved up. Right, so it looks good so far to me. Nothing to worry even on this sector. Yeah, Maruti we will see when we see the stocks. Right, so again a golden index daily has gap resistance, and that has been crossed. Now I think it is nahi abhi bhi udhar hi hai kya? हाँ, और ये बट्टा ये क्या किया तुमने? But there is a PRD. Let me see. Yeah, we do have a PRD even here, 69 and 65. So there is a PRD here which takes it above this quite. So it might take us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bar PRD, which is also not bad. Okay, so let's write down here golden index daily. HIA index description as per this should be here. Okay, so daily has 6 bar PRD sector. Okay. Weekly doji at price support. Okay, and taking first 60 support. So ये पुराना है. Okay, so we'll keep this right now. Monthly long range taking first 60 support. So that is done. So golden index again on this, all three time frames above 60. Right, so let's start with the stocks now. This is for 14 June. Okay. Okay, this was added, previous week, but not able to capitalize on both of them. So this was Aura Pharma which I had made. Okay, इसको रहने देते क्योंकि ये वीक में ऐड होने का चांसेस है इसका. Okay, so now let's move back. एक मिनट, last index I have to see I wanted was metal. So metal has done some bounce back yesterday, and if you look at it, see it has crossed back above 60, and it looks like a fresh rally now in this sector. Okay, so this might make a new high above this. And even see weekly it has done a hammer. Okay, so now let's see whether it has any steam now and look at this. Okay, it's a band walk. So it came till the band. Okay, it took support at the band and from there it is moving. Okay, now let's see what we can expect. See, A sector ka breakout area is this. Okay, and normally जो लास्ट डेप्थ रहती है ना, ओके उतना तुमको मिलना चाहिए, तो इसका लास्ट डेप्थ तो बहुत बड़ा है. ओके, सो लास्ट डेप्थ के हिसाब से तो अब तक मेरे ख्याल से आधा ही मिला है. ओके, सो ये सेक्टर में अभी भी बहुत स्पेस बचा है. ओके, सो 60% ही मिला है, 40% अभी भी बाकी है. वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग द इंडेक्स टू गो टिल हियर. ओके, सो लेट्स वॉच आउट फॉर दिस इंडेक्स. ओके, it's looking okay to me. Now it should again start a fresh rally because see neutralized from 85, it has come down back. Okay, and this looks now healthy if it crosses again this level. So ये level अगर cross किया तो और ऊपर जाने का chances ज़्यादा है इसमें. Okay, so this is where we have already reached. The all time high is 55.37 जो एक दो दिन में ये cross कर सकता है. Okay, so metals also looks good to me. No worries, Mahesh. We always welcome any person who is entering. So just enter and whenever you get time for the sessions. Okay, so now let's see the trade. So let's start with first with metal industry today. Okay, because metal industry is looking as a comeback. My favorite is Tata Steel only. I'll not go for anything much less than that. So this is okay. भाई क्या है ये? Oh, okay. At gap resistance and almost at 60 resistance, you can see that. See, gap closes at 64. You buy at 64, you are again at upper band resistance. So tricky, tricky. छोड़ दो इसको. ये सबका हालत वही है. I think every stock had got a gap down from the all time high. So this is where it is. So अभी इसमें भी वैसा ही है. So equity है तो ठीक है. इसका मैं रिस्क इसमें नहीं ले सकता हूँ फ्यूचर्स में. See, it's a good stock and it might touch this again. Huh? So this is where it is right now. यहाँ से यहाँ तो आराम से जाएगा ये. See, all have come down on upper band to take support. See, upper band पे ही support से bounce मारा. अभी भी देखो upper band पे ही support लेके अभी ये ऊपर जा रहा है. So they are continuing with the band walk. Look at it. They are continuing with the band walk. So even the RSI is 83. अरे बाप रे, जाने दो. So मेटल को मेटल की जगह पे रहने दो, हमको नहीं लेना है भाई तुमको. तुम रहो भाई तुम्हारे पास ही, हमको नहीं चाहिए. Let's see my favorite Reliance now. Okay, so Reliance bounced from 60 support. Okay, this was a sharp fall here, and from there it has bounced back. So now again, if we are interested to buy, it's a range bound movement right now. Okay, so we buy about 20 to 40 for another target of 2310, and we can keep 2190 as stop loss. Okay, so it looks okay to me. There is an alert bar also on weekly. Monthly भी ठीक लग रहा है. Okay, so this looks good. So see, this is the reason why we that day see 46 से घुमा हो. See this exactly, that is where the resistance is on monthly. Okay, so Reliance Power. Madam, I would not give you any suggestion on all those अनिल अंबानी स्टॉक. ओके, वो डिफॉल्टर में से निकल गया उसका मतलब ये नहीं ये सब बाई करो कचरा आइटम. Yeah, we have bought Reliance Infra because there is a cup breakout. Reliance Power I would not suggest also. Reliance Power, RNRL, RNevel, वो सबको साइड पे रख दो. If you think that you have enough money to throw and forget, then park it in it because there would be some movement now in Anil Ambani's stock. Okay, but mainly my view is look at the chart and enter into it. Okay, I think towards the end today we'll see that. Okay, I'll tell you why we bought Reliance Infra. Okay, so we'll see that. But okay, let's park it for now. Okay. Okay, so Reliance we can have one by that gives you around 70 points for a risk of 30 points, which is fair enough. Okay, let's go to Asian Paints. Seventy, 70.88, all clear, no issues. Okay, this also is okay. उल्टा लिखा रहा है. So Asian Paint also looks good. It took a good CIP at the previous all-time high. It looks good for a new target now. See this. So it looks good for a good target now. Okay. Let's go to Hill Unilever. There is nothing. So we had a sector on this thing. See, इसको इधर एक gap है actually 2370 पे वो उसको resist कर रहा है. See, not much convincing thing because this is sideways. Weekly is also sideways. But there is one thing that needs to be seen is this. So why about this for sure? Because then it will come till almost 100 points. So ये अगर ये क्रॉस करेगा तो यहाँ तक आएगा. So एक ये है FMCG का स्टॉक. ओके, नीचे ही है. इसमें भी फ्लैग सेटअप जैसा है वीकली पे. See this. अभी ये नीचे ही जा रहा है. इसके ऊपर में वापस ही वीकली ऊपर तक यहाँ तक तो लेके आएगा उसको. Okay, so there is a good setup even in Nestle. Again, see, there is a bearish kicker here. Bearish kicker is not that easy to be crossed. So above 17,800 only the buy triggers. Not even that. You can have 780 and 800. You can expect something around 200 points. छोड़ दो 200 point. Weekly पे उतना ही है. Okay. Does not look good. So FMCG has got something, but FMCG के stocks में इतना कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है. Okay. Wow, Dabur is doing well. ये बेटा भागेगा ऐसा है क्या? नहीं, ये भी रेजिस्टेंस पे आ गया. अभी इसके ऊपर में बाय करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? इसको भी गैप रेजिस्टेंस दे देगा 71 और 74 के बीच में. 66 तो हो गया है. It does not make sense. So, Dabur also has got some resistance here. Britannia, 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 Marico. Oh, this is looking interesting. एक मिनट. हाँ, इसका गैप भी ऊपर है. गैप आना चाहिए. 60 को भी टच करेगा. See, there is not any convincing buy, but 58 का RSI है इसका. Okay, and there is a buy which can trigger above 3600. It can take it till here. And right now, I can also suggest a short below 35.50. So let's have one short trade as well. अब भी हो गया ना ये भी तो. See that, but let's have one short trade as well. So Britannia will have more trades. Okay. Marico and all, they have got a big lot size, so that's why I avoid it. Marico, Dabur also has got a bigger lot size. So this is going to be a very small trade actually. Okay. So right now let's have only one side. Okay. टाटा कंज्यूमर तो ऑलरेडी भाग चुका है, तो उसमें क्या करेंगे? सी टाटा कंज्यूमर इज ऑलरेडी गॉन अप एंड रनिंग. ओके, सो उसका एंट्री वाज अराउंड दिस लेवल. सो अभी तो गया हो 664 का काफी ऊपर चला गया. एंड इवन वीकली 698 के ऊपर बाई था. So now it is too high. There is no entry here. So forget it. Tata Steel also there is no entry. We saw that right already. It has a gaps over there. So Tata Steel we saw already. Right. We started with metals only first. Okay. So FMCG में I think we just got one Britannia on the short side. बाकी तो कुछ नहीं है. Okay. Let's go to Maruti. Okay. किधर टाइप हो भाई तो मारुति डाला किधर टाइप हो. Maruti. Okay, so now this is aha. Oh, so Maruti, bearish, bullish, Harami at support at 60 support. बेटा तो हाथ में ही नहीं आएगा. फिर भी हम ट्राई करेंगे पकड़ने की. So ideally this is what it should go back to. Okay, थोड़ा bearish भी दिख रहा है because it resisted maybe 60 on this week. And also price resistance is there around that level. Okay, so now see हम लोग ने जो ट्रेड क्लोज किया था ना उसका मेन रीजन ये भी था. Okay, so 7300 was a resistance for it and 7350 mainly. Okay, and that is the reason why वो तीन बार उधर जाके फेल हुआ ना. Then only we kept the stop loss at 7285 for top bottom. Okay, and we booked that 420 odd points. But now I think it looks good. Okay, and वापस इसके ऊपर जाना चाहिए. So daily पे एक ट्रेड बनता जरूर है. Okay, it is looking very strong around this level. Okay, so we'll buy above the high. So 70 to 60 is the buy. Okay, target is 7430 and maybe 7185 will be the stop loss. Okay, Maruti. So this is Maruti for us. So it looks good. And if you look at even one more thing, okay, I'm quite impressed. It will be around the, yeah, it is at 38% retracement. Look at this. थोड़ा इसको जूम कैसे किया जाए? जूम बराबर जूम. See this. Exactly at 38%. And we buy above this, we get at least till there. Okay, so it looks interesting. It's at 38% exactly. Okay. Okay, so Maruti looks good. Now let's see हमारा Bajaj. हमारा Bajaj. अरे बाबा, हमारा Bajaj is at 20 and price support, but broken 60. Okay, थोड़ा bearish. Okay. Okay. दोनों मोटो नीचे है उससे दिख रहा. ओहो ओहो. Okay. Okay. So we do have another short trade here also. 41.65 and this, and if it comes down, it comes to 41.60. Actually support is here. Okay. Okay, let's have this. Let's have this. Okay. This time it's literally we are having trades on mixed side on the same sector. Bajaj Auto reverse gear में. Okay. Target is एक आगे उधर पर तो निकली क्यों नहीं भाई सेल बिलो टारगेट ए भाई ए 4165 दिख रहा એટલો મોટો તને ક્યાં દિમાગ કાકા આપશે બરાબર છે 4165 it was 4220. Okay, so this really looks like entry is एकदम immediate entry मिलेगा ये लेकिन हम लोग को थोड़ा रुकना पड़ेगा. So we'll see whether ये तुरंत फिर इधर आके resist करना चाहिए. So we'll see this. It looks good as a short trade. So Bajaj Auto, so far we have got 5 trades so far. Okay, Tanishka, I don't know who are you, but you said running candle. So what does that mean? It's okay if you want to speak. You can unmute and speak, but I didn't understand what you mean by running candle. Because this is the end of day chart. So running candle.
सर निरंजन.
अरे निरंजन.
अरे वो बेटी का आईपैड यूज कर रहा हूँ ना, उसका कुछ कॉलेज स्कूल के लिए तनिष्का से सेव है वो जूम मीटिंग.
अच्छा, तो क्या रनिंग कैंडल था?
ये मारुति का पूछ रहे थे जब आप अभी मारुति में है. वो रनिंग कैंडल पे एंट्री करना पड़ेगा क्लोजिंग बेसिस के ऊपर.
वो तो रनिंग कैंडल पे ही ना, अभी तो प्राइस ही इसके ऊपर में गया तो तुरंत एंटर करने का
15 मिनट.
हाँ 15 minutes. हाँ, so see it is now you are now looking at the parents. Okay, so बच्चा भाग रहा है तो भागने दो. अगर वो 15 मिनट्स को कंप्लीट होने का आराम मत देखो. वो प्राइस क्रॉस होता है तो वी एंटर नॉर्मली.
ओके, थैंक यू.
Okay, so ये हुआ. Okay, so we saw that. Then I think escorts, I think last 2 दिन से अच्छा चल रहा था, but see now it is also resisting. अरे बाबा, तो ये सब चीज में गड़बड़ से घुटता है तो हाँ ये देखो, इसको देखो, ये भाई साहब मस्त आया यहाँ तक और फिर गिर गया. सो गैप रेजिस्टेंस का So I'll show you one thing. Okay, I think Niranjan just touched base. I think I would like to also share this for okay. Okay, madam, I want to log in into Zerodha and show you something. I'm just doing it on the other screen and I'll show you. See, people who are looking into such trades regularly, okay. So अगर आप में से किसी ने भी ऐसा देखा है, okay. See, we knew that 35, 12, 35, 38 के आसपास में इसको gap resistance है, okay. And see, this was yesterday's morning. Now, very simple thing is, see, between this candle and this candle, there is a 4-bar bearish divergence. Okay, so the thing which I keep saying is that chart सब बोल के करता है, market सब बोल के करता है. Okay, so there was, if you look at it, the RSI, there is a divergence. It's already at 75. Okay, and very simple thing, the entry was here. Okay, between this and this, there is a divergence. ओके सो ये ब्रेक जब ये होता है तो ये कैंडल में 12:30 से द शॉर्ट वुड हैव ट्रिगर्ड and intraday only 15 points was there for the short trade. Okay, so main thing is see when we are analyzing something and I know stop ideas में भी मैं ये बोलता रहता हूँ कि मैंने levels दिए हैं उसके ऊपर मैं तुरंत buy नहीं करना है. You have to see what that particular script is doing at that level and then we enter into a buy or sell. Okay, so that is the main reason why I think मनोज जी ने कल ये बताया था. Okay, so हाँ एम तो बात का बात है एम नहीं है ये बट इफ यू लुक एट इट it's a bearish divergence clearly and then see the fall started and then see this again tried to rise above 40 and again resisted 60. So this clearly shows that this particular stock is under pressure. Okay, so similarly if you look at Maruti, see Maruti, why we said buy above 70 to 60 because see this is the levels it has been resisted. अभी ये लेवल के ऊपर में निकलेगा then it will start doing a bandwagon, it will go higher. Okay, so that is the reason why you have to understand that and normally 15 minutes या hourly chart पे देखो तुम्हारा stock क्या कर रहा है. See this again is the level where you know we might see some resistance. So I might change it. So that's why अभी के लिए मैं levels देता हूँ. But then when I am looking into the real market, okay, I see this also because lower time frame will matter when you know we have to actually take the trade. Okay, so these are just the levels we are right now seeing, but these levels are looking good as per your higher time frames. But when you boil down, so इसके लिए मैं कभी-कभी बहुत बार वो trades के लिए reluctant बन जाता हूँ, but then when they trigger, you have to take. So the miss that I'm talking about is see very clearly if you look at this, see ये गंदा चीज कल 1 बजे के बाद हुई है. Okay, so if you look at 15 minutes chart, see this is the candle which went above the breakout and that is the time when I went for lunch. Okay, and see my buying was about 78 जो हम लोग ने एक बार already buy किया था. Right, but now again there was a buy at this level which I failed to take. मैंने 980 का level भी डाल के रखा था, but see this 980 के ऊपर मैं सीधा 3 candle में it went till 1017 or 1018 is the high. Okay, so this is where you know we missed it, but this is what it was. This is the level above which it was to be bought. So you have to have a view on the lower time frame along with the levels that we are seeing, merge them, see whether the lower time frame is also in the same view as per the above view that we have right now. So when you merge this, the success of the trade is much more. If everyone recollects, I think stock ideas I should recollect on the Reliance trade we took on I think Monday or Tuesday, and the way it went, we were holding it with whatsoever. बट 20 to 45 गया और मैंने तुरंत ही ट्रेलिंग डाला. उस तक तब तक सब लोग बोल रहे थे ट्रेलिंग करना है. आई वाज नॉट पुटिंग एनीथिंग, बट 20 to 50 के आसपास में कोई बड़ा रेजिस्टेंस है. ओके, सो
सर
हाँ
एक पूछता था, सपोज 15 मिनट्स कैंडल में आरएसआई डाइवर्जन दिख
तो वो रखो
पर 30 में वो अपस्ट्रेंड दिख रहा है, तो 30 का कंसीडर करना है या 15 का करना?
नहीं सी अगर डाइवर्जेंस दिख रहा है आपको लोअर टाइम पे तो आपको एटलीस्ट मनोज जी यू विल हैव टू सी वेदर दैट डाइवर्जेंस इज गेटिंग कंफर्म्ड और नॉट. अगर वो कंफर्म हो रहा है तो फिर 30 मिनट्स भी अपने आप नीचे आ जाएगा. ओके, नॉर्मली इंट्राडे के लिए 15 मिनट और आवर्ली देखो, 30 मिनट्स नहीं देखना चाहिए.
ओके, 15 मिनट्स एंड आवरली
यस.
ओके राइट right sir, thank you.
Now let's move again. Okay, कहाँ चला गया भाई? अरे ये क्या हुआ? इस स्क्रीन पे आप लोग को भी दिख रहा है, मेरे को खाली धुंधला धुंधला दिख रहा है. स्क्रीन पे मेरे को दोनों दिख रहा था, स्क्रीन पे से जाने लगा. अच्छा अभी ठीक है. Okay, now I am also a big fan of MRF and I want to see what MRF did actually. क्योंकि कल परसों में उसने वापस एक अच्छा बाउंस मारा, but now again see we are at resistance. See there is a small gap resistance here. So I'll avoid it. So mainly it resisted 60 on weekly, and that is where the fall started. But it's again at a state of monthly 60 support. So I'll just avoid it for now. We don't need anything right now on this sector. We had enough. Okay, so now let's go to the other sector. So we saw auto, we saw FMCG. Now let's see the sector which I'm missing a lot. भाई तू तो रहने ही दे. So we made a new all-time high for this stock yesterday. My dil goes okay, so Dr. Reddy finally started the movement. So anybody wants to buy it in equity, buy it. Now the target is 6,000 immediately. Okay, so you are looking forward for 1 to 2 months. A target can be around 6,000. Okay, so equity this can be bought, and let's have a trade on this as well. MR को निकाल देंगे. Dr. Reddy. That was the all-time high, if I am not wrong. 16, 17 ठीक चल रहा है. तो 20 पर बंद कर दिख रहा. वाह, मौज कर दी. यहाँ का वहाँ का यहाँ. बच्चे भी परेशान, तू भी परेशान. चलो ठीक है. So you can now see, I'm expecting now this should have a walk on band and it should continue. The thing is, you look at this squeeze के बाद breakout है. Okay, and now if it merges, now let's see this. Okay, so भाई साहब ने आराम कितना किया देखो 23%. Okay, so this is where it was just doing fluctuation. Now there is a breakout above this level. So now the breakout should take it to the first extension. See, the first target should be this. Second target is 57.40. So normally you give 57, this as your target. Okay, so 57.50 comes out to be it, but we are choosing it at 5,700. Okay, so this really looks good. Okay, and let's see how it can now just go there. Okay, so it's really looking good for us on the front. इसके लिए मैं बोला ना इक्विटी में पकड़ के रखूं, मेरा 6600 का टारगेट आने का चांस है, and it might come in now 2 to 3 months. Okay, so this can be seen on the script. So equity, if anybody wants to go for Dr. Reddy, Cipla, or on the farm. I think Landmark we have already holding it in 605 in stock ideas, right? So I would just say keep holding it. Okay, see Landmark का भी मैं आपको logic बता देता हूँ. Since we are now in the pharma sector, see Landmark and see this. It's a cup breakout. Okay, so not a cup breakout in a way, but it is a breakout among this. Okay, and I think we bought around 605, and now you can expect this to go at least till 713. 750, and the other target is around, I think 800 is a target I have given. So this is the target in equity we are expecting. And it's actually a cup breakout on, now it might be a breakout here. So it can be a one breakout, second breakout is 712. It's looking good overall. Okay, so 700 तक तो ये जाएगा ही जाएगा. And see, daily there is already a breakout. So breakout overall on landmark. Second thing that we need to see is Oro. अभी मेरे को वापस ढूंढना पड़ेगा entry. See, Oro was at 40 support, and that is the main reason why. And see, this is the reason to buy above 980, by the way. Okay, so if you look at your this thing, 980 is the level above which you buy it, and it just went till here. Now, another target for it is around, I think, 1040. I think Sanjay gave that target as well yesterday. So that is the same thing which we are also looking forward to. Okay, so 1040, but since we missed the train, now we'll have to wait what it does here. And see, it is just crossing 60 again. Okay, so it's looking good overall. And it's now a hammer in front of the shooting star or a doji type of candle on monthly. So once it crosses this, again, it is going to go higher. So सिप्ला में कोई ट्रेड बनता है क्या? ये क्या हुआ? 69, 68 outside, inside, perfect ham setup है ये दोबारा. Let's see, it breaks down below this. Okay, so we'll see if it breaks down below this. It's a perfect M setup actually, if you look at it. Look at this, look at the volume here when it is growing. Then see this fall. So the volume increasing. Then there is another movement upside, but see the volume decreasing. So now if there is a volume increase and if it comes down, Cipla can come down at least to this level. So you can expect around 935. The level Cipla में तैयारी है. Okay, so let's avoid Cipla for some time. If it crosses, it's okay, but otherwise there is a bearish setup. Volume is matching. See, ये बड़ा कैंडल में वॉल्यूम ही नहीं है. Okay, ये बड़ा कैंडल है, pullback कैंडल है. Okay, it had a low and then it went up. So maybe the result है, but see the volume is very negligible. उससे अच्छा वॉल्यूम ये दोनों में है. सब छोटे छोटे कैंडल में इतना बड़ा वॉल्यूम है और ब्लैक कैंडल्स है. So stay away from Cipla for now. Okay. So let's go to IT, TCS, yes, Bangalore. But we are at the CA. मैं देख रहा था इसके लिए मैं बोला रुको रुको और वो चला गया. वो इधर भी था. So now it looks interesting about this only. So TCS does not give us any entry right now. No. Infosys was a buy about 40. It's too higher RSIs now to enter. So Infosys can touch the all-time high again. किसी ने कुछ तो बोला Coforge. It's not in this thing, right? Futures में नहीं है, right? Okay. Let's see. I think LT. Yeah. Okay. LTI. It's also a good breakout actually. LTI. LTI can be bought for another target of maybe 100 to 200 points. See, this is what it is doing. It's a band walk. Look at the daily breakout on RSI. Yesterday only it has broke above 60. So there is an alert bar as well. But इसमें see ये सब stocks में movement बहुत fast होता है. Okay, it looks good with a stop loss of 4120 if anyone wants to trade this. Okay, LTI, LTTS, same setup and same stop, but just there is a see it is resisting at the gap, exactly at the gap high. So you buy about 2900 to avoid this and rip off. इसका तो week भी बहुत बड़ा है. I would avoid this stop. Okay. Is okay. Set support. Let's see. हर आईटी स्टॉक एकदम ऊपर ऐसे ही है. स्टील और आईटी पता नहीं क्या बम्बू झाड़ रहा है. Okay. Forge. It is actually in futures also. Forge. इसका भी खेल खत्म. Okay. See, it's already too high. 80 का RSI पे तो I would not prefer. But see, it has gone above this. Here it was a buy. 3500 पे 400 पॉइंट already चला गया. And see, this is a beautiful band walk as well. So अभी तो कहाँ entry नहीं मिलेगा इस सब चीज में. I would avoid entering on these things. There can be one more trade. LNT. See, it set support on 60. Price support. So buy has to be above 1525 for 1575. But there is a shooting star on weekly, so I would wait for it. Okay, it's a perfect trade. Monthly also it's trying to make a shooting star. So it seems to be, see, it's on a rounding breakout, CIP, and now can come back till here. So this becomes your range. नीचे आएगा तो और नीचे आया तो और नीचे आ सकता है. Then it can come down till this level. So 1460 seems to be one thing. Let's see. Avoid this also for now. Lupin and Bajaj Finserv. Okay, let's see. Okay, so I think अपना बाकी सब सेक्टर्स हो गया ना. आज एक मिनट पहले वो देख लेने दो. कोई सेक्टर छूटा नहीं ना. फार्मा, ऑटो, एमसीजी, आईटी, हाँ हो गया. सो नाउ लेट्स चेक दैट. ओके, फिर मेरे को अपना अनिल अंबानी का 4-5 स्टॉक जो किसी ने आई थिंक राशु ने बोला था. लेट अस चेक.
हेलो सर.
हाँ
Sir, in IT stocks, all stocks are RSI are too high. So
हाँ.
can we find over there any short trade?
Short trade, then you'll have to look into a 15 minutes chart or hourly chart. Whenever they come for 60 support, you buy at that price. Either 60 or 40 on smaller time frame is going to be your entry. Otherwise, there is no entry on daily charts.
Okay. Yeah, right now you have seen Coforge chart. There was a doji around that high.
So if you see doji around high, if the low breaks, get out if you are already holding it. Okay, but if the high close, you can buy for another, newer highs. So that is what you can do. But then you have to be very, very cautious on such trades, because what happens is RSI is already around 80 above in those
Yeah.
stocks. So if you go for that, the risk is higher, because see, normally you buy anything above 60, your stop loss is below 60. So that
Okay.
becomes, very, very riskier, because you cannot hold something by buying at 80, 85 for with 60 as your stop loss.
Okay. No, I am asking you about shorting the trade.
Shorting
Stocks.
again, you will have to see where what level. So if you see, Manabi, I think I saw you. I just gave you example of escorts that it was at resistance, and when there is a bearish divergence or any bearish pattern formation on 15 minutes or hourly chart, you go short at that level. Okay, so
Okay.
you do
Okay.
not short blindly कि इतना ऊपर गया अभी तो शॉर्ट कर दो. अरे नहीं, वो तो बहुत गलत चीज है. Let the market signal on a smaller time frame that it is good to short. You short at that time.
Okay.
Even see Bajaj Finance, it has got a doji at all-time high now. Now this is again a trick. Okay, so if it goes below this, then only go short, and there is again, see, now all the gaps have been closed, everything has been closed. So this will act as a very strong candle for us. It's with good volumes. So 50% of this will act as support. So again, Bajaj Finance will have to wait for entry. I don't think so. So if there is anything right now, I don't see any entry here. So now in this, and Lupin, let us see. Lupin has a monthly doji, or a doji on Lupin.
सर ग्लेनमार्क देखेंगे क्या?
ग्लेनमार्क तो देखा ना मैंने प्रवीण जी.
अच्छा, मैंने मिस कर दिया.
ना ग्लेनमार्क तो सी इक्विटी में ऑलरेडी हमारा बाई में है. 605 के ऊपर से बाई था, एंड वी आर होल्डिंग इट. I think 655, कल 655, 660 हुआ है. We'll now change the stop loss also for us in equity, because 25% तो मिल गया मेरे को. तो अभी मेरा टारगेट 800 है. Okay, but currently there is no entry in Landmark as well, because the candle is very big. तो वो अगर entry नहीं हो रही उसमें, so this is where it is. Now wait for a breakout. So buy above 1250 in this, or maybe above the high of this candle, 1260. So Lupin is looking good, but I would just hold on. It's a doji at 60. Okay, so doji का high भी अगर आप देखोगे तो 44 के आसपास ही है. It gives you a breakout on this line. Okay, it may then go up. So Lupin is looking good on charts. Okay, so I think we're done. We'll go to the.
So Lupin 1240 or 1260 हो रहा है?
1260.
1260. Okay.
Okay, now let's see Reliance.
सर बैंक्स रह गए ना?
अरे ये तो कौन बोलेगा. हाँ, मैं बैंक निफ्टी सीधा बात है, मैं छोड़ दिया. बैंक्स पूरा साइडवेज दिख रहा है ऐसे. एक मिनट, उसके बैंक देखने का फटाफट. और ये देखो ना, ये 20 MA का सपोर्ट पे है. ये टूटेगा तो और नीचे जाएगा. बट देयर इज नो एंट्री, बिकॉज़ सी 60 तोड़ दिया इसने. तो 40 तक आने दो. सी यहाँ पे भी इसने 60 रेजिस्ट किया है वीकली पे भी, एंड उसको ये गैप भी एक्चुअली मिल ही रहा है उसको. तो 20 MA के सपोर्ट पे अगर 20 MA टूटा तो ज्यादा गिरेगा. તો આવે છે અંધેરી જમીને જઈએ ગાડી માટે બોલાવો તો તેથી તમે એકવાર ચેક કરી લો હા તો ફોન કરું છું પણ પતી ગયું તારું સેમસંગ છે મારે ઘરે આવવાનો છે હમણાં કમ્પ્લેન નાખી અચ્છા હા જમીને જઈએ હું ઘરે જઈને જમીને પછી તને ફોન કરું HDFC hammer on monthly थोड़ा यार क्या कर रहा है लड़का I would avoid हाँ अभी ये थोड़ा अवॉइड करो सी बाइंग शुड बी अबाउट मेरे ख्याल से मैंने 15-20 बहुत दिन से डाल के रखा है यार वो 15-20 को ब्रेक करने दो इसको that 15-20 is this level see this 15 okay so इसके मैंने 15-20 रखा है which is this levels ये तोड़ेगा तो थोड़ा ऊपर जाएगा तब तक ये ऊपर नहीं जा रहा है I will avoid this for some time so I would just wait for it I see wait क्या बोलता है अरे किधर अटक गया बेटा I see ट्रेनिंग मोड में कल जाना है बेटा तेरे को आज करना ये भी देखो ये भी नीचे आ गया है 60 रजिस्ट कर रहा और ये भी आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग बैंक निफ्टी एक बार 34,300 तक आया अपना 1000 पॉइंट दे दे फिर हम निकल जाएंगे तो इसमें भी थोड़ा 60 सपोर्ट और इधर तक आने का चांसेस है इसका वापस एंड दिस इज द लेवल 618 क्योंकि तब तक ये भी 60 सपोर्ट पे आएगा कोटक बेटा भी क्या बोलता है इतना बड़ा क्या किया भाई तूने ये तो फ्रीक प्राइस है लग रहा है 1880 कहाँ से आ गया जबकि इधर चल रहा था आई थिंक 1780 की जगह ये टाइपो हुआ है ये एक ही ट्रेड हुआ रहेगा उसके बाद ये हुआ है आई डोंट थिंक सो ये बड़ा कुछ तो हुआ रहेगा so when Kotak is at 60 resistance on monthly so I will wait for it there can be somewhere some movement so as we said we're expecting sideways movement and that is what banks are doing so nothing much on the banking side actually here also doesn't seem to be anything it's at CIP though see this is the CIP but nothing else nothing much okay some same HDFC Limited is also down it is also sideways so if you look at it everything is same as HDFC see this daily is between 40-60 there is nothing meaning in this okay forget it okay so now let's see Anil Ambani's stocks okay one of them which we are already trading okay is this okay and I'm not looking into this at all what I looked was this Baba. Okay I think we bought at 58 okay and that is because of the breakout out here okay so this was where it was having resistance 57 point something here okay so we bought it at 40 crossover and yeah may go down bank nifty may go down so it is good no we are in top bottom short only okay so this is where was the buying on this stock and it has already crossed I think 88 जाके आया था ना ये हाँ कल का दिन 88, हाँ इधर क्यों नहीं दिखा रहा, मंथली पे क्यों नहीं दिखा रहा, ये क्या टाइम का, इधर 88, इधर क्यों नहीं दिखा रहा है, इतना फिर तो गड़बड़ है इसमें। आई, हाँ अभी आया, अभी आया, अभी आया। Okay. So this is where it is. See, it's a monthly band walk after a squeeze, and I think you can expect around 140 odd. Okay, so 140 odd, 120 odd. These are the levels you can see in Reliance Infra now. So one thing is this. See, we are not buying something over here. Okay, and look at the volume picking up in this trade. Okay, so this is the reason why we have entered. 40 crossover is one thing. Okay, now our power, let's see. It is also in the same side, but it is already gone. See, our power buying was around 5 rupees. Now it is already 12. So अभी इसको लेके मतलब नहीं है. Okay. Now if it crosses 60 and goes beyond this, so maybe 15 के ऊपर इसको buy कर सकते हैं, but not below that. Okay. And ये देखो जितना सर्किट टू सर्किट जा रहा है ना ये, उतना ही सर्किट टू सर्किट लेके भी जाएगा. Okay. So I would say, see this again, if you look at it, this is where the buy was on weekly, okay, on the crossing of 60 or at 60 support. So this is where around your buy was. Now it is too high for you to enter. Okay, now RSI on weekly is 90, avoid. Okay, and our naval, ये अभी just चालू है, but see again 4 rupees 65 ऐसा है. ये सब penny stocks है. Avoid. So this is just crossing 40. Okay, so if you want to buy, the buy is around this level only. Okay, but I would avoid mainly all these stocks. Okay, Mr. Ambani's younger brother. See, this is just circuit, 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 circuit. ये open ही circuit पे होता है, तुमको माल भी नहीं मिलेगा. Okay, so avoid all of those. Okay. So I think that's it. Let's see what we get from this. Okay, so we have got as a summary. Let me remove the other stocks. Okay, so we do have around 2 sell trades and 5 buy trades for next week. Let's see how they do, and anything else that anybody wants to know, I can share right now. Okay. Anything else anybody wants to know?
सर ये HDFC बैंक का भी बाय ट्रेड है क्या? आपने अभी वैसे मना किया.
HDFC बैंक का
बाय ट्रेड इसमें अपने लिस्ट में लिखा हुआ है.
नहीं, हाँ ये अच्छा, सॉरी, थैंक्स, आपने बताया. हाँ, ये रह गया था निकालने का. ओके, सो वी हैव गॉट टोटल 6 ट्रेड्स. नहीं, दिस इज द ओनली ट्रेड. यस, थैंक यू. Okay, so one last thing, we have got Simply Build House training tomorrow. So if you want to spread across for anyone else, let me know. Okay, it's going to be live. So if anybody is interested, I think we have almost 8 people done. So 2 slots are still remaining. Normally online we take not more than 10. So if there is anyone, let me know. Okay. So see you all on Monday.